How can traders improve their performance?
Most of them don't want to.
If they're not making money at it, they might want to.
A lot of people are very happy not making money because they wouldn't know what to do with themselves if they made a lot of money trading.
They're afraid of success?
Yeah, they're afraid of success. They're sabotaging their own effort. I think it's Ed Sakota that said that everyone gets what they want out of the market. Right now I'm mentoring someone who is working within an organization. She's a very capable young woman, very, very bright, yet she will not do the work. She will not learn from her mistakes. So whether it's relationships, whether it's trading, whether it's education, whatever endeavor it is that you're talking about, trading isn't so dissimilar to anything else in life, that if you really want to prove, you need to go back and you need to constantly look at what is it that I'm doing, what's working, what's not working. And that takes work. And when it requires work, most people inherently are lazy because whatever goals they set for themselves isn't enough to psych them up to do them. So what's the difference between, for example, me and the trader out there who's starting out or the one that isn't successful? It's simply just determination. It's simply just a matter of doing it over and over. And as my own mentor David Paul says, it's a question of repetition, doing the same thing over and over.